Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make sketch easily with AI in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and first of all, I'm going to create a design. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to choose this ratio for instance. Okay, then we can use the AI feature to create sketch easily in Canva. Go to the apps menu to access AI features. This one, go to the apps and you have to search for sketch. You just need to type in sketch, and then I recommend you to choose this one, photo to sketch. We're going to use this feature to create sketch. Okay, I'm going to choose this one guys, and you have to choose the photo you want to make sketch. You can click on choose file, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then here we can customize the filter strength, and I'm going to reduce it, and I'm going to select the transparent background. Then we can click on transform to sketch. Okay, and just hold on guys until the process completed. Okay, it depends on the size of the photo. Okay, now the sketch has been created, and I'm going to go back to my design and check the result. Okay, this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create sketch easily with AI and Canva. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.